Sierra Michelle TV. Subscribe and like, please.
Hey guys, welcome back. Looking back. In today's video, I'm just going to be doing a very much so productive day in my life. And pretty much right now, I'm just trying to get my house together. I want to cook, I want to clean, and I got a time schedule to meet. So this is about to be productive. I can, but I'm not about to cook in a dirty house. So I'm about to help, y'all about to help me clean. And yeah, let's get into it. So like this, what we got going on is pretty much dirty. It's messy. It's messy. If anything, it's just super, super, super messy. Then over here, I just like filmed a video. I don't got furniture yet, y'all. So I'll be filming on boxes. So don't say that you gotta wait to do YouTube. Film on your box. But yeah, don't wait to start doing YouTube till you get a computer, till you get a camera. Like start where you at. I ain't worrying about no tripod. I really do want a tripod really bad. But I'm gonna stack these boxes up and get this money, period. Stop playing with me. I'm about to just clean up and we're gonna speed it through because I need to hurry up and do this, like period. It's the cleanup song. It's the cleanup song. It's the cleanup song. Cleanup song.
I guess we didn't get off to a great start. And ups and downs be driving us apart. And why you make up your mind so fast? We're driving, won't keep it in the past. I can see when I'm lost, keep talking, but we keep going back. Every time I go, there's something in the air. There's something in the air. Makes me wanna know.
Hey guys, so hold on, let me pause this. Hold on. So I'm watching Aaliyah's face.
I could be doing even more, and I think that's where people.
So yeah, guys, like as far as my bedroom, like I still don't have all my furniture together. I don't have like any nightstand or like, I don't know. I'm like, I got my stuff on boxes in my bedroom. It's still very much so new. I'm still getting settled in. I'm still looking for furniture. I'm still waiting for my desired furniture to become back in stock. So during this quarantine, a lot of things are out of stock and it's just taking a lot of time because, you know, people are not working and different things like that. And the people that are buying stuff, they're buying it. I feel like they're buying furniture in bulk at this point because a lot of things are out of stock for no apparent reason. But nonetheless, in this vlog, I just want to show you guys just me cleaning up, getting myself ready for the new week. It's Sunday, like I keep saying, it's Sunday. I want to have my meals prepped. I want to just get my water intake together. I just really want to press forward and like be like come in strong. I want to like really lean in strong towards this new week, and I just want to really just better myself and just be uplifted with developing a routine. That's my main thing right now, is just developing a solid routine. And aside from that, I feel like more things will fall into place once I become strong in this area of just being consistent, having a routine, starting a schedule, and sticking to it. Once I become like solid in that, I feel like other things will follow through. Let's continue this video.
You've been kinda distant, don't you know? No. And I just wanna say I'm feeling low. Backwards, they're trying to see through. A guess we didn't get up to a great start. Ooh. And ups and downs be driving us apart. Ooh. And why you make up your mind so fast? We're driving, won't keep it in the past. I can see when I'm lost, keep talking, but we keep going back. Every time I go, there's something in the air. There's something in the air. Makes me wanna know if something's really there. If something's really there. Every time I go, there's something in the air. There's something in the air. Makes me wanna know if something's really there. If something's really there. Makes me wanna know. Makes me wanna know.
So thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and tell somebody. And as always, stay dope, stay beautiful, and stay uplifted. I'll see y'all in the next vlog. We're out.